Good morning, class. We have completed chapter number 5, lines and angles. Now we will do chapter number 6, triangle and its property. Okay. Triangle and its properties. Okay, class. Your first topic is triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segment. Okay. Okay, class. What is triangle? A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segment. Suppose this is line A. This is line AB. This is line AC, and this is line BC. You can see that these 3 are the line segment. When you will join the 3 line segment, it will become a triangle. Okay. Okay. This is a triangle. Now triangle has 3 vertex, 3 side and 3 angle. Okay. First we will discuss about vertex. You know angle. You know this is vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. There are 3 vertex. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. A, B and C. Okay. Now we will discuss about sides. As you know that triangle has 3 sides. AB, BC and AC. Okay. AB, BC and AC. Okay, class. Now triangle has 3 angle. Okay. Now we will discuss about angles. You know this is angle A, angle B and angle C. So how you will write it? Angle BAC. BAC. Next is angle ABC. Next is angle ACB. Okay, class. You can see that 3 angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay. Now the side opposite to vertex A is BC and the side opposite to vertex B is AC and the side opposite to vertex C is AB. Okay, class. You can see in the figure the side opposite to vertex A is BC, the side opposite to vertex B is AC and the side opposite to vertex C is AB. Okay. The side opposite to vertex A is BC. You can see that this is a vertex A and opposite side is BC. Okay. Next, the side opposite to vertex B is AC. You can see in the figure, the side opposite to vertex B is AC. Next is the side opposite to vertex C is AB. You can see in the figure, the opposite side of vertex C is AB. Okay class? This is a triangle. You know that what is triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure which is made up of 3 line segment. Okay? A triangle has 3 vertex, 3 side and 3 angle. Okay? You can see in the figure, vertex are vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Sides are AB, BC and AC. And angle, you can see that angle BAC, angle ABC and angle ACB. Now you can see that the opposite side of vertex A is BC and opposite side of vertex B is AC and the opposite side of vertex C is AB. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, now we will discuss about how to classify triangle. Okay. Okay class, now we will discuss next topic, classification of triangle. Okay. Classification of triangle. Okay, we can classify triangle on 2 ways. First is by sides and second is by angles. Okay class, we can classify the triangle on 2 ways. First is sides and second is angle. Now we will discuss first on sides. Okay. Okay, first is based on side. Based on sides. We can classify triangle on the basis of side in 3 ways. First is scalene triangle. Okay class. Second is isosceles triangle. Okay class. Third is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay class. Okay class. We have classified triangle on the basis of side. First is scalene triangle, second is isosceles triangle, third is equilateral triangle. Okay. Now we will discuss this side also. Okay. First we will discuss scalene triangle. scalene triangle. Okay class, what is scalene triangle? This is a triangle A B C. Okay, this is a triangle A B C. What is scalene triangle? What is scalene triangle? In scalene triangle, all the length of the sides are different. Okay. For example, this is 2 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. You can see in the figure that all the sides have different length. That's why this is a scalene triangle. Okay. Next is isosceles triangle. Second is isosceles. Your second side is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? This is a triangle ABC. What is isosceles triangle? Have equal length. Okay, it means that AB is equals to AC. Okay, this is a sign of equal to. Whenever in any triangle you see this sign, it means that this side is equals to another side. Okay, suppose this is 5 centimeter, it means that this side is also be 5 centimeter, because this side are equal. Okay, and suppose this is 8 centimeter. Okay class, what is isosceles triangle? When the two sides have the equal length is known as isosceles triangle. Third is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? In equilateral triangle, all the sides have equal length. Okay, all the sides have equal length. If AB is 3 centimeter, it means that BC is also 3 centimeter and AC is also 3 centimeter. Okay class, in equilateral triangle, all the sides have equal length. Okay. Now we will classify the triangle on the base on angle. Okay. Angle. Okay. We will classify the triangle on the base on triangle. We will classify triangle on the basis of angle. Okay. It will divide it into 3 parts. First is acute angle. What is acute angle? When the angle is less than 90 degree, it is known as acute angle. Okay. Second is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? When the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. And third is right angle triangle. It means that when the angle is at 90 degree. Okay. For example of, you know that acute angle is an angle when it is less than 90 degree. For example, angle 45, angle 60 and so on. Obtuse angle, you know that when the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. For example, angle 120 degree, 130 degree and so on. And right angle, what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is and in right angle triangle it makes 90 degree. Okay, it makes 90 degree. Okay class, we have discussed classification of triangle based on angle. Okay, it is divided into three ways. First is acute angle, second is obtuse angle and third is right angle triangle. Okay, you know that acute angle is less than 90 degree, obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, but right angle triangle is 90 degree. Okay, now we will discuss next topic, median of a triangle. Okay, median of a triangle. This is a triangle A, B, C. Okay, this is a median on this triangle. The line segment AD is joining the midpoint of BC to the opposite vertex A is known as median. Okay, class. Now we can find the median at AB also and AC also. Okay, now we will find the median on AB. Okay, this is D. You can see that the line CD, the line segment CD is joining at the midpoint of BA opposite to the vertex C. Okay, so DC is the median. Okay, now in A, B, C. Okay, now you can find the median in AC. The line segment BD is joining at the midpoint of AC opposite to the vertex B. BD is a median. Okay, in this AD is a median. AD is a median. In this CD is a median. In this BD is a median. Okay class, this is the medians of triangle. Now we will discuss next topic, altitude of the triangle. Altitude of triangle. Okay class, your next topic is altitudes of triangle. Okay, this is a triangle A, B, C. This is known as the altitude of triangle. Okay, this is point D. It makes 90-degree angle. Okay, the height that is given by the line segment that start from A comes down to BC and is perpendicular to BC. Okay beta, this is perpendicular to BC. Okay, this line segment AD is known as the altitude of the triangle. Okay class, AD is known as altitude of triangle. Okay class, an altitude has a one end point at the vertex of the triangle and other at the line segment opposite to the vertex. Okay, we can make an altitude on AB also and AC also. Okay, A, B, C. You can see in this figure. That BD is a altitude. Okay, you can see that altitude has one end point at the vertex and other point at the line segment opposite to the vertex B. Okay, now you can draw another triangle A, B, C. Now we will find altitude at AB. Okay, this is D. You can see that BD. You can see that DC is the altitude of triangle. Okay, now we will do exercise 6.1 question number 1. Okay, exercise 6.1 question number 1. Question number first is, in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, this is a triangle PQR and D is the midpoint of QR. Okay class, first what you have to find, you have to tell PM is dash. You can see that in the line PM there is a 90-degree angle. As you know that it is a altitude. It is a altitude. It is a altitude. Okay class. Second is PD. PD is dash. You know that PD is the median. Okay. PD is a median. Okay class. You can see that the line segment PD is joining at the midpoint of QR. Okay. Now you have to tell is QM is equals to MR. You have to tell this. You can see in the figure QM is not equal to MR because the distance of QM is smaller than MR. Okay. You can write that no, they are not equal. No, they are not equal. Okay. You can see in the figure QM, the distance between QM is smaller than the distance between MR. Okay class. This is your question number first. Now I will explain you question number second. Okay. Question second is draw a rough sketch for the following. You have to draw a rough sketch. Okay. Part A is given in triangle ABC. BE is the median. You have to draw a triangle. Triangle A, B, C. Okay. What is given in the question? You have to draw BE as a median. What you have to draw? You have to draw a line from the vertex B to the opposite side AC. Okay. This is a median. Okay class. It is a part. Now I will explain you second part. Your question second part, question number second B part is in a triangle PQR, PQ and PR are a altitude of a triangle. In the question it is given that PQ and PR are altitude. Okay class, of the triangle PQR. It means that you can see this is R, this is P, this is Q, and it makes 90 degree. You can see in the figure this is PQR. Okay, PQ and PR are altitude of a triangle. It means that PR is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, you can write QP or PQ. Okay class, this is your question number second B part. Now we will do third part. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Okay class, first you have to make the triangle XYZ. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Now you have to make YL is an altitude in the exterior angle. Exterior means outside. So you have to make triangle in outside. Okay, like this. Okay class, this is a triangle XYZ and YL is altitude in the exterior triangle. Okay, it will make 90 degree. Okay class, this is your question number second. Okay, your question number second is completed. Okay class, now question number third. Question number third is verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. You know that isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle is a triangle in which its two sides are equal. Okay. Make a diagram. A, B, C. Okay class. Its two sides are equal. It means that its altitude and median will also be, its altitude and median you can see that these two are equal. Okay. Then AD is the median and altitude of the isosceles triangle. Okay class. This is 90 degree. Okay class. You can see in the figure ABC is a triangle and in isosceles triangle its two sides are equal. Okay. Then AD is the median and altitude both. Okay class. Now your exercise 6.1 is completed.